Hi, welcome to Jennifer's Craft and Creations. I'm Mark. Some will know me as Mr. Picky. Now, Madam got a new pressure pot not so very long ago, and it's a lot bigger than what she had. So it's, I think the size of it is something along the lines of, I'll tell you exactly. It's a 12-inch diameter and a 15.5 inch depth. So she turned around to me and said, how can I get all of these in? If you can see, we've got tube rack, a block mould, a smaller block mould that she uses for making pendants, and a pen mould. So she can utilise the whole space. So she puts the pressure pot on, it only has to go on once, it's all done in a day and not done in 4 days. Yes, you can buy the HDPE racks from wherever are selling them at the moment, but with a lot of things the prices have gone up astronomically. So Madam, being tight-fisted Yorkshire person, decided, yeah, I ain't paying that much for one of them. So it was left to me to decide or come up with an alternative. So I was out shopping and I went to a company shop called Lidl. It's a European shop, but we've got quite a lot of them in the UK. I think they're nearly on every street corner. And I found this. It's pizza preparation rack, or that's what they call it. But apparently you can put it in the oven as well if you needed to cook 4 pizzas at once. Quite ingenious, just a simple rack with actually 4 trays, but I'm only using 3 for this demonstration. Slide them in, put something on it. Oh, put it on straight full. There you go, you can see it better there as well. And another one, put that one on. Third one, put that one on. Then you can put your other one on as well if you wanted to, but that's slightly deeper, so than 40 millimeters. The racks, the gaps between the racks is 40 millimeters per rack. So pen blanks and things like that. Great little idea. I thought, well, anything to save a bit. So this is what we've done. Excuse the movement of the camera. Now, just get that. Lift it in. That sits nicely in there. Sorry, I can't move the camera any further over. It's only got a short beam on it. And then that sits on top. It would do if I put it in properly. And then the lid can go on. And et voila, one full pressure pot for Madam to utilise all at once. Then, cheap cheat, but it's effective. If I was to make it out of plywood or something else, it would be damn sight dearer than £9.99, which is what that cost. And if I was to buy the HDPE one, last time I saw one for this size tank, it's about £75. Don't know what that equates to in dollars, but or euros, but just thought I'd share that little bit with you. Hope you found it helpful. You know, so you don't have to do everything the most expensive way. Sometimes a budget is more convenient. Say £50 to spend on resin, or burr blanks, or moulds, or whatever else. Excellent. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.